Hey friends, this is Brent from This is Tech Today, your source for honest tech reviews and how-tos. In this video, we'll cover setup of the Wyze Cam pan, how to set up the pan scan, how to set up continuous or event recording, how to share the Wyze Cam with other people, and how to rearrange cameras in your app. If you haven't checked out my full review, go ahead and click the card above. Now setup is super easy for the Wyze Cam pan. All you have to do is turn it on,
Ready to connect.
download the app, make an account, listen for the prompts,
Ready to connect.
scan the QR code,
QR code scanned. Please wait.
name the device, download and install updates, and then you're good to go. Setup for the pan scan is a little bit more complicated. First, you open the Wyze Cam app, click on the camera that you'd like to edit, click the gear icon, click on Advanced Settings, click on Motor Controls. This is also where you can go to control the speed in which the Wyze Cam pan moves. Click on Pan Scan Settings, and this is where you see destinations. You can click on each of the 4 destinations to see where the Wyze Cam pan is calibrated to cycle through. To manually set up where you'd like it to pan, click on the X of one of the destinations you'd like to remove. Move the Wyze Cam pan with the D-pad to the location you want it to cycle through, and click on the plus sign in the bottom right corner of the video preview to add it. You can then preview your 4 destinations by clicking the button at the bottom. If you're satisfied with your destinations, click Save in the top right. To change your record history settings, click on the gear icon, then click on Advanced Settings, and then click on Local Storage. And then in here, you can change between continuous recording or record events only. This is also where you can activate the SD card if you install one. You can also format the SD card here. If you'd like to share your camera with others, just click the Share button, click Share Device with Others, and then input their email address, and then they can access it from the Wyze Cam app on their own device. If you'd like to rearrange the order of your cameras, go ahead and click this bottom in the bottom right, and then you can rearrange it by clicking here, and then click Save. If you have more questions, go ahead and leave your comments down below, and I'd be happy to help you out. And if you haven't already watched my full review of the Wyze Cam pan, click the card off to the side. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, that really helps out the channel, and subscribe. If you want to be notified of when I post a new video, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching This is Tech Today. Until next time.